right, boys and girls, so we are back with Kinder Live here on YouTube. Now, boys and girls, I asked you guys during our class session today that I wanted you guys to get a paper and make 3 circles just like this. I think most of you guys already have it. If you did not tune in for the morning lesson, then I need you guys to please grab just a piece of white paper, okay, white paper, and I want you guys to draw circles on the back of your paper. Remember, I need 3 circles, so I need 2 on top of each other, kind of like this. 1, 2, right? And then I need you to make little lines that go to one circle, connected to one big circle, okay? Got it? Just like that. So 2 circles, 1 on top of each other. Make 2 lines that connect to a big circle. Okay, in that big circle, what number do I want? Good. We're making combinations to 10, so I want everyone to do a 10. Okay? All right, when you guys are done doing that, put it on your table. So pretend this is my table. I have to do it on a board because I need you guys to see. So right in front of you, you should have this mat. It's called a number bond. We've done it before. It's putting together numbers that are going to equal 10. Okay, so we are still working on combining numbers to add to 10. So for vocabulary, remember the word combine is put together. Add is put together. Remember, adding numbers, combining numbers to make 10. Good. So today we are learning counting in cardinality 2 to 6 and operational algebraic thinking number 1, 3, and 4 for standards. Let's continue. I also need you guys to make a chart that goes like this. I need you to make it 0 all the way to 10. Everyone should have little flashcards. Write your numbers in these boxes. 0 all the way to 10. 0 all the way to 10. Now, boys and girls, if you guys don't have enough boxes, it's okay. Just cut one box in half so you can do your numbers like this. Like 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whoops, no 11. I don't need 11. And 0. Okay, so just make your numbers like this. Cut them. Okay, cut them out. And when you guys are done cutting, when you guys are done cutting, they look kind of like this, right? Little squares. I have them all ready right here. You guys see all my little flashcards? They're ready. Oh, yeah. They're ready. So, now that they're ready, what we're going to do today is we're going to read a story. Oops. It's called 10 for Me. I really like this story because it's an addition story in where a little boy and a little girl are going out to look for butterflies. And they're netting the butterflies. Does anyone know what net means? Good, it's a net. It's how you catch a butterfly. So everyone pretend you have a net in your hand. And now look up in the sky. I see a butterfly. Catch it with your net. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Swing the net. Swing. I caught it with my net. Good. That is how we catch a butterfly, with a net. So I want everyone to have your nets ready. Okay, here we go. We're going to read a book. It's called 10 for Me. And this book is by Barbara Americonda. Barbara Americonda. So the author writes the book. The illustrator draws the pictures that complete the book. The illustrator is Sherry Rogers. And the book is called 10 for Me. So if we look here, we know that the book is probably about good butterflies. Okay, we see it there. Okay, so as the children in this book are adding how many butterflies they have, we're going to change the numbers in our number bond. So every time I say, for example, in the book, it says 10 plus 0 it equals 10 or makes 10. So we hear the numbers 10 plus 0 or 10 and 0, right? So we're going to look for what numbers? 10 and 0. Good. So I'm looking for 10. Found it, guys. So I'm going to put it on my chart. I'm going to put it right there. And then I found a 0. So I'm going to put it right there. Okay? Awesome. So I know that 10 and 0 make 10, because these two are friends of good. So just like that, every time I read the book, I'm going to stop and I'm going to say, all right, let's find numbers. And you guys are going to grab your number flashcards. So everyone should have flashcards that look just like this, okay? Flashcards. And you guys are going to put them inside of your number bond, okay? So just be ready with all your flashcards. You should have number 1 through 10 and make a 0 too. We need a 0, okay? All right, here we go, guys. Everyone pay attention. Here we go. All right. 10 for me. Okay. We got ready to go, just Ed and I. Our goal is to catch some butterflies. Ed with his net and I with my book set out in the field and started to look. The first day out, it wasn't much fun. Ed netted 10 and I netted none. How many in all? Well, 10 plus 0 is 10 plus 0 is 10. So everyone, go to your chart. Looks like this. 10 plus 0 is 10. So everyone, grab your 10. Grab your 10. That's the first number we heard in the story. Grab your 10. Put it in the top one because that's the first number we heard. The top one. And then we heard none. None is good. 0. So we're going to put it right there. Okay? All right, let's continue. Okay? The second day out still wasn't much fun because Ed netted 9 and I netted 1. How many in all? Let's add them again. So here we have, how many in all did we say? Oops. Let's go back. All right, here we go. Well, we know that 9 plus 1 is 10. Yes, 9 and 1 make 10. So what numbers did I hear here, guys? Good. 9 and 1. So everyone, take off your 10. You don't need the 10 anymore. What numbers did we hear? 9. So we're going to put that one first because that's the first one I heard. And 1. Good. So 9 and 1 make 10. Good. Are those friends of 10? Good job. All right, let's continue. Okay. The third day out, I was still feeling blue because Ed netted 8 and I netted 2. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 8 plus 2 is 10, said Ed. 8 and 2 make 10. Oh, she wasn't too happy, right? Because she netted how many? She only netted 2 and Ed netted 8. Good. So 8 and 2 make 10. So let's go ahead and take off my old numbers, number 9 and 1. We don't need those anymore. How many did Ed net? Good. 8. So we're going to put the 8 on the top. That's the first number I heard. And how many did she net? She netted 2. Good. So I'm going to put a 2 right there. 8 and 2 make 10. Just like 8 plus 2 make 10. Everyone together. 8 and 2 make 10. 8 plus 2 make 10. Very good. All right, guys, let's continue. Okay. The fourth day out. Oh, there you go. The fourth day out, I still couldn't see how Ed netted 7 and I netted 3. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 7 plus 3 equal 10, said Ed. 7 and 3 make 10. Wow, he's still getting more. Okay, so what numbers did we hear here, guys? 7 and 3. Good. So let's take off our old numbers because we don't have 8 this time. This time we heard, what number did we hear? Good. 7 and 3. So teacher's going to find her 7 and my 3. Okay. Here we go. 7 and 3 make 10. Everyone together. 7 and 3 make 10. 7 and 3 are friends of 10. Good. Okay. The fifth day out, I still was feeling sore. Ed netted 6 and I netted 4. How many in all will 6 plus 4 make 10, said Ed. 6 plus 4 equal 10. Okay. Oh, so he had 6 and she had 4. Okay. So everyone back to your board. How many do I have here? Good. 6 and 4. So I'm going to put a 6 and I'm going to find a 4. 6 first because that's the first number I heard, then 4. 6 and 4 make 10. Is that correct? Good. 6 plus 4 is 10. Everyone together? 6 and 4 make 10. 6 plus 4 equal 10. Good. Very good. The 6th day out, I thought I would die because Ed netted 5 and so did I. But how many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 5 plus 5, we said, make 10. 5 and 5 make 10. So how many did they net here, guys? Good. Here we have 5 and 5. Good. So everyone grab a 5 and grab one of your other cards that have a 5. Good. So 5 and 5 make, oh, let me grab another 5. Another 5, another 5. 5 and 5 make 5 and 5 make 10. Good. Everyone together. 5 and 5 make 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Good job. Very good. Okay. Okay. So on the 7th day, I used my new tricks. Ed netted 4 and I netted 6. How many in all? Well, let's see them again. 4 plus 6 equal 10. And I said 4 plus 6 equals 10. 4 plus 6, 4 and 6 make 10. Good. So she added them again. And this time around, what did she get? She got 4. No, Ed netted 4. And she got 6. Good. So let's go ahead and have her number first, because her number was, or his number was 4, right? That was the first number we heard. So 4 and, where's my 6? Oh, there it goes, guys. 4 and 6 make 10. Good. Just 4 plus 6 make 10. 4 and 6 make 10. Everyone together? 4 and 6 make 10. 4 plus 6 equal 10. Good. All right. Next one. The 8th day, it felt just like heaven because Ed netted 3 and I netted 7. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 3 plus 7 is 10, I said. 3 and 7 make 10. Oh, she's becoming lucky. How many did she get? 7. And how many did Ned get this time? 3. So Ed got 3. So everyone, let's look for our number. Let's take off our old ones. Let's look for a number 3. Okay. 3 on the top because that's the first number we heard. 3 and she got 7. Good. So let's look for a 7. Very good. Okay. 3 and 7 make 10 together. 3 and 7 make 10. Now 3 plus 7 equals 10 if I add them right. Add. Okay. Good. The 9th day, I really felt great because Ed netted 2 and I netted 8. How many in all? Let's add them together. Well, 2 plus 8 equals 10, I said. 2 and 8 make 10. Wow. She caught a lot. All right. How many did Ed get here, guys? 2. Good. 2. How many did she get here? Good. She got 8 this time. So 2 and 8 make 10. Together, 2 and 8 make 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Everyone together, 2 plus 8 equals 10. Very good. All right, on the 10th day, it's my turn to shine because Ed netted 1 and I netted 9. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 1 plus 9 equals 10, I said. 1 plus 9 equal 10. Whoa, Ed only got how many, guys? 1. He only got 1 this time, and she got how many? Good. With the 1 is the first number on the top because that's how many Ed got. That's the first number we heard. So 1 and 9 make 10. Together, 1 and 9 make 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Let's add it. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Good job. The last day out, I did it again. Poor Ed netted none, and I netted 10. How many in all? Let's add them again. Well, 0 plus 10 equals 10, I said. 0 and 10 make 10. And then we stopped and looked at our scores to see who had finally caught more. How many for Ed? How many for me? It looks like a tie, Ed shouted with glee. But wait, what's this? Okay, but before we find out who won, let's do the last equation. Okay, Ed got how many in the last day? 0. So let's put our 0. He got 0, none. And then she got 10. Good. So 0 and 10 make 10. 0 plus 10 equals 10 if we add them, right? Let's add them together. 0 and 10 make 10. Together, 0 plus 10 make 10. Good. 0 plus 10 equal 10. Good. Okay, let's find out who won. I can't wait to see who won. Well, it looks like now the winner is me! The little girl won! Yay! She won! All right, well, that was so much fun counting with all of you guys and making 10 for me. It was so much fun. All right, guys, so before I continue with you guys, we are going to keep the flashcards. So if you guys need help later, you guys are more than welcome to keep your flashcards so you guys can keep counting, okay? You guys are more than welcome to keep counting, okay? So now what I want you guys to do, everyone should have their little worksheet. It looks just like this, and we're going to do this together for one of them so that you guys can see how we're going to do this. And remember, this is just extra practice on how we're going to combine 2 10. Okay, so after we did our activity, a little activity, we are going to combine 2 10. And this is kind of on your own. So here I'm going to write my name on the very top so that Miss D knows who submitted it for me. Okay, so Miss D on the top. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to first count the numbers that I have in this one here. Okay, so I'm going to count on the first box. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 on a 10 frame. 9. So if I have 9 on this 10 frame, guys, how many more do I need to make 10? Well, think about our story. Okay, so I have 9, but I need 10. So how many more do I need? Good, I only need 1 more. So I'm going to color in the little box with my purple. I need 1. So I need 9 and 1 make 10. Good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to find the 9 and the 1 on this side. Okay, 2 and 8, no. 5 and 5, no. 4 and 6, no. 7 and 3, no. 9 and 1, yeah! So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it. So I'm going to draw a line from the top 10 frame. Okay, I'm going to match it all the way to the right answer, which is 9 and 1. So all we're going to do, guys, is connect the make 10 frame or make 10 statement to the matching 10 frame. So your 10 frame has to match the correct friends of 10, okay? So I did a line because that one, 9 plus 1, 9 and 1 make 10. And here I had 9 and I only added how many? 1. So think about how many you need to add and how many you already have in your 10 frame. Then you're going to make the circles for how many more you need. So the next one has, let's count the next 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 in that 10 frame. So do I need anything else? No, I already have 10. So I don't need any more. So 10 and nothing make 10, right? So let's look for the answer that sounds the best one on this side. Okay, here we go. 2 and 8? No. 5 and 5? No. 4 and 6? No. 7 and 3? No. 9 and 1? Well, I already used that one, so for sure that's a no. 10 and 0? Yes. So let's go ahead and connect that one. So here we go. My 10 frame all the way to the bottom. There we go. I made a connection from this 10 frame to this statement down here, 10 and 0, because 10 and 0 are friends of 10, and that 10 frame matches this 10 frame. So think about what's going to match. We already know all the numbers and the friends of 10. So now it's just about putting them together, okay? I want you guys to finish this worksheet all on your own, okay? If you guys need help, raise your hand or just call me on Hangout. I'll be right there to help you. All right. Thank you, boys and girls. Have a good day.